Hi guys! For today's video, ang ipapakita natin is anti-static wrist strap. Absorb static charge from personnel to protect electronic device sensitive to static discharge. Number 1 is Lecopio. Lecopio, polyurethane. Description niya, material, the conductive elastic band is made of polyester and woven stainless steel or nickel fiber. It is located on the inside of the wrist strap and therefore insulates the exterior of the band. Grounding cord, 2 meter PU, polyurethane coil cord with 1 mega ohms. Resistor. Ground resistance 1 mega ohms. Brand size 2 cm by 21 cm. Color light blue, black, dark blue. Technical parameters. Current limiting resistor 1 mega ohms. 1 mega ohms positive by negative 5%. Brand resistance 50 mega ohms. Electrodissipative time 0.1 seconds. Characteristics: safe and reliable, adjustable, somewhat resistant, suitable for using in clean room. Ang total length when cord is not stretched, about 56 cm. Total length when cord is stretched, about 180 cm. So, ipapakita natin siya, guys. So, ito yung Lecopio. Ayan siya, guys. Pwede nyong alisin tong crocodile clip. Nakikita nyo na yung banana. Ayan siya, guys. So, size ng cord niya, pag na-stretch, is about 180 cm. Siya, guys. Ito yung Lecopio. And then, ang sunod naman natin ay XJB Posh na wrist strap din. Ito siya, guys. XJB-WH-Posh-Face Heavy Duty Anti-Static Wrist Strap. Description: normal anti-static wrist using soft and elastic fabric mixed woven with conductive thread, which have good conductive functions, adjustable length, and spring grounding thread that can endure 3,000 times. Environmental test and still maintain good condition, not ruptured. It wraps around your wrist easily and is simple to fix and undo. It safeguards personnel from possible electric shock by a 1 mega ohms resistor built into the fast fastener. Accessories: conductive fiber, 1 mega ohms resistor inside the fastener, coiled cord, banana plug, and alligator clip. Ito siya, guys. And guys, take note, meron siyang adjacent dito. Ito yung adjacent. Ayan siya, guys. Ayan. siya guys. Itatanggal din yung crocodile teeth niya. So, ang ferro resistance niya, 100 ohms. Grounding resistance, so, ang grounding resistance niya is 10 to the power of 6. Ang ohms naman niya is 1 mega ohms. Sorry. Ang static discharge time greater than 0.1 seconds. Diameter of wire 2.5 mm by 3 mm. Ito ang ating XJB post. 240 cm. So, ang next natin, ito yung XJB post natin. So, ang next naman natin ay cordless wrist strap. Ito siya, guys. Stainless metal brother WS-201C. ESD wrist strap, easily adjustable, one size fits all. Metal elastic band for comfort, suitable for clean room. Conductive metal threads provide. Principle of work. According to corona discharge, effect and point discharge. Principle. When accumulates the electric charge, surfaces hence certain value because of potential difference to spatial electric discharge. Thus eliminates the static electricity, the goal. So, ang characteristic niya, convenient, reliable, static electricity, diffusion time. Smaller than 0.5 S. Resistor, 1 mega ohms. So, ayan siya, guys. So, ang ating cordless wrist strap. So, try natin siyang isuot. Ayan siya, guys. Para lang din siyang relo. Ayan siya, guys. So, ito ang ating cordless wrist strap. So, ito pong next natin ay dual wire fabric wristband and cord. Ito siya, guys. Features, parameters, reference, STD. System resistance between wristbands and each connection. Mega ohms, 10%. ESD, S1.1. Wristband's inner surface of the resistance, less than 100 ohms. ESD, S1.1. Wristband's outer surface of the resistance, 10 mega ohms. ESD, S1.1. Straightened reel length, 2.5 meter. Bracelet length, 2 sections, length, 11.5 centimeter. The reel and the color of the injection molded parts, black. Total length when cord is not stretched, about 80 cm. Total length when cord is stretched, about 200 cm. Ayan siya, guys, pagka in-stretch. 200 cm. yung kanyang haba. So, ito siya guys. Siya pagsuot. So, meron naman siyang adjustment. So, ito siya guys. Ito ang ating dual wire fabric wristband and cord. Ito na yung lahat ng wrist strap natin. So, meron tayong Lecopiu, XJB Posh, meron tayong cordless wrist strap, and meron tayong dual wire fabric wristband and cord. So, ayan silang lahat guys. So, ayun lang. Maraming salamat.